Andre,
Stop!
stop. Down to the ground.
Here, you got my back, bro. I don't want to see you dirty. Y'all already did all of this. Okay, let me get up and I'll walk to the car.
Welcome back to emergency behavior. Today, officers stop a vehicle for expired plates, but the passenger refuses every lawful order.
Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Your plates are expired, man.
I don't even know that.
They expired at the end of January. Do you have your license and insurance? Okay. Is there a reason your passenger is hiding his face? Andre, can you roll down the window, step out to my partner? I can see him covering his face with his right hand. Andre, go ahead and step out of the car. Man, turn the car up, please. Okay, go ahead and step out of the car. I'll call supervisor, sure. This is an insurance car. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the car. I'll call my supervisor. Because I need you to step. I'm going to tell you once you step out of the car. Okay, you've got a warrant, so go ahead and step out of the car. I'm telling you have a warrant. Step out of the vehicle. We'll take one more unit. Ma'am.
I have a screenshot of my
Ma'am, I don't care about the insurance, okay? Andre has a warrant. He needs to step out of the car. If you don't step by that car, we're going to take you out of the car. You. I can see you. I know who you are. I've arrested you before driving this vehicle, and I can see you, even though you keep pulling your mask down. Okay.
Can I have my license back?
He's requesting a supervisor as well.
Can I have my license back?
Unlock the door. I don't know. Call 5. Starts another unit, and he wants a supervisor.
Oh, he's giving you a lawful order. You
I
got
don't
an
care.
arrest
He's
warrant.
gonna be a lawful order, bro. Are you
You gotta
crazy?
step out, man.
Andre,
You're
you're
under
under
arrest.
arrest.
Bro, can you
You're under
stop?
arrest.
Can you stop,
Now
bro?
you're step out of the
How
car.
is this? You can't see my face, bro.
Oh,
Stop.
You're traumatizing my son.
Stop, bro. You can't see my
Step
face.
out.
You're traumatizing my son.
Bro, you can't see my face.
traumatizing my
You
son.
can't
Step out.
arrest me. The
Step
law
out.
is
Take
on
a
start,
video.
bro.
I'm gonna take a video. Stop.
Step it
Please
up.
take a
I'm gonna
video.
take
Take
Step
a
out
video.
of the... I'm not going to be able to tase his back with all these jackets on.
Oh my God, bro. Just get a supervisor. It's not that serious.
Can you see his other hand?
No.
Oh
All
God.
he's doing is asking for a supervisor. He's not touching anybody. And nothing. Please, my son.
He's under arrest.
Bro, you just opened my car door and tried to
Step
guess
out.
my identity. I'm
We
so
already
glad
know who you
got
are.
this shit.
Step out.
You can guess who the
Warrant,
that's
you're
out.
under arrest. You're resisting
You
arrest.
can guess I'm not resisting shit.
You're not getting out.
You came into the car.
How you gonna come into my car
You
without
don't
asking?
even know who this is.
Because we're here to arrest you.
They're
Nigga, you can't come in my car without asking me. You can't come in my car or my house without asking me, nigga. Doing it. Just open the car door.
Excuse me, please move your hand away from the gun.
Yeah.
Excuse me, please move.
How about that?
No, we're not going to do
That's
that.
not the plan.
Your hand off the gun.
If you actively resist us, you're going to tase you. Otherwise,
Bro,
we're
I'm
gonna
not
tase-
resisting. I asked for a supervisor.
Also,
God damn.
he's not actively fighting, but we're going to need more to rip him out.
God damn. All you gotta do is get a supervisor to come tell me that you following the law. Because you're not. You just opened my car door for what?
Okay, because you wouldn't get out after you...
I told you, bro, you don't even know the
You got a warrant. You got an FTA warrant for assault. No bond. You were going to county. And then you resisted us bringing you out, both of
Bro,
us.
why are you saying I'm resisting? You open my car door. You stupid.
You not stepping out and fighting with us to get
Bro,
you out?
I don't have to get out of my car. You pull her
You
over,
are
not
under
me.
arrest. Yes, you do.
Oh my God, bro. Shit goofy as
No. Where's your other hand?
my
Show
hand
us
is
your hand, bro.
Just show us you ain't reaching, bro.
Bro, can you close the door and get a supervisor?
Absolutely not. You can get a supervisor. We're
Bro,
not
get a
closing
supervisor.
the
I've
door.
been sitting right here for 5 minutes like this. God damn, y'all
Get out of
extra shit goofy as man. Shit dumb. Damn, you got my
We need you over here.
He's shoving his leg down low and stiffening up so he can't get out.
I got his right hand locked. He's got his left hand. There's a kid in the back seat, girlfriend in the front seat.
driver back seat only, right?
That's a big teddy bear.
Hey, buddy. Are you able to reposition this leg?
Can you please close that back door?
What?
Come on out. Get down on the ground. We're not playing shit anymore. Down to the ground.
Here, you got my back, bro. I don't want to get dirty. Y'all already did all of this groupie shit for what? For years.
Back up. You can film. Back up.
We're one in custody. Slow down.
Back up. Back up.
I'm just recording.
Look at y'all goofy ass, y'all goofy. Which one of y'all arresting? Which one is it? Which one is it?
Relax, buddy.
Fuck you. How about that? No. You. Whatever. Stop. You need all these people to give me out by yourself, would you? I'll kiss you. I'll kiss your cute ass.
Andre,
Stop. Stop. Come on, Daddy. Oh, arrest me, baby. Once.
relax.
Stop. Goofy ass.
Relax. We've been through this before.
What's your name? Goofy ass. How the f I can identify it while I'm in a car? Huh?
You can talk about that in court.
Oh, you can tell me about that in court, man. Should let me go to court then.
Biden advised.
And on my own recognizance. All I ask is for a supervisor. Which one of y'all oblige? You? Yo! No, you hear me? No, you hear me?
Spit on me.
I didn't spit on you.
Stop.
You hear me?
Alright.
Which one of
I do need to check the
Was
front
it
of
you?
his jacket and then on
you?
the car.
Was it you?
Hey, okay.
Was it you? You shut the
You guys ready in the car? You want to wait?
Yeah, let's get it. If you feel comfortable with, you got front pockets and everything?
He's got more pockets than
Yeah, he's got a lot of pockets.
front jacket is all I'm worried about.
Right.
Pockets, waistband, everything else is good. We're bringing you to the car, Andre.
the supervisor at?
He can talk.
Why the f wait on the supervisor then? Why? Okay, which one of y'all been here?
Let's go.
Which one of y'all been here? Stop. You.
Go to the car.
Carry you then. How about that? Pick me up.
Check his front
Pick
pockets
me
while
up.
we have him down.
Pick me up. How about that? You the bitch that's supposed to mother let me see a supervisor.
Andre.
You the let me see a supervisor too. Get your hands off my throat. I can't breathe.
Okay.
Lame ass. It's for y'all. You don't gotta choke me.
Talking, nobody's choking you.
If you can shut the up and suck. How about that? You pick me up stuff. You can bring fine. So stop.
Yeah, look at the ankle strap to go into a squat.
Look at the ankle strap.
A fall.
Just you need some You already got 4 motherfuckers here. Yo, strap. How about that? Get you some ankle strap on my leg.
Stand up.
From this leg.
Stand up if these are going
Stand
on.
up.
How about both of y'all, all 4 of y'all?
You're just gonna get more charges.
What charges for what?
You're just go with guys. Go with squad.
Okay, let me get up and I'll walk to the car.
Okay.
I'll ask for a supervisor.
Alright.
Y'all need to y'all can wait for him, right?
It looks like he's here now. Looks like he's here now.
Want to start or no?
Supervisor. Stop the video before the phone down.
Are you gonna
Start it
walk to
over.
the car?
Yeah, I just said I walked to the car. Ask y'all once. I'm getting all y'all, and I promise you, y'all mother kids gonna hate y'all. I'm not y'all on Facebook. I'm about to put posts up all over the city, y'all suck money. Especially you. You the biggest Ryan.
The suspect was arrested on an active warrant and charged with resisting arrest. If you enjoyed this body cam footage, like, subscribe, and tell us your thoughts below.